Hello, I am John,
And I'm Nancy.
and
And
we
we
are
are
J&N
J&N
Travels.
Travels. We drove from New Hampshire to Florida to Snowbird for the first time and would like to share our tips and advice from our 3 months down south.
Our next bit of advice for Snowbirds 1.0 is to know what stores are in the area.
Yeah, that's a big help if you know that. Yeah.
GPSs and Google and stuff makes it very easy now to
Mm.
find out where you're staying or where you're going and blow the picture up and find out what stores are there.
Yeah.
We found this helped out a ton. We ended up shopping at a lot at like a local Walmart that was, it turned out even being within walking
Yeah,
distance.
that Walmart was so close to where we were staying. You could walk there. Yeah.
And if we didn't know ahead of time, we would have brought stuff down that we could have easily bought down there.
Yeah, I could have not as packed the medical bag as heavy, knowing that there was a Walmart and a Dollar Tree nearby.
Right. So if you look around the area, there's also a thing our kids were looking for gifts towards the end of their stay down there. They
Mm.
came down for 2 weeks, and it was handy knowing what direction and where the different local gift shops were, so we
Yeah,
weren't wasting a day driving miles away.
yeah.
I mean, the only time that we kind of went around a little bit lost was when I was looking for that Disney warehouse place and
Oh, yeah,
went way out of our way trying to
yeah.
find that, and it turned out to be really a bad stop for
It
us.
wasn't as nice as, well, years ago. It was over 10 years ago that we went to the outlets and they had all kinds of stuff, but they really shrunk the store. There
Right.
wasn't much stuff there and there weren't any really adult sized clothing. It was mostly kids.
So what you want to do is see what food places are in the area, find out what drugstores are in the area. You might even want to check out stuff. It's not really a store, but how close your local hospital is.
Yeah, that's
Um,
always good to do.
your favorite restaurants, because this can save you for getting out. It's a lot of traffic we found down in
Oh,
Florida,
yeah.
and it was much
Traffic's heavy.
handier, right, when we found the place we want to go to, and we took some back roads to it
Yeah.
or little shortcuts. So a lot of people don't think about. They figure they'll explore the area when they get down there or when they get to their destination. We advise you to research the area ahead of time,
Yeah, research ahead of time because if you know there's a Walmart in your vicinity, you said, okay, we can do some food shopping there, and
or whatever your favorite grocery store
yeah,
is. You
yeah, it doesn't
may
have to be Walmart. It could
you
be
may
Publix. They have
right.
Publix down
There were some department stores down there that you needed a bathing suit.
there. Yeah,
We needed a couple items, so it made it handy just going out to a Target's or any kind of department store.
yeah.
But if we had to go out and just drive around willy nilly looking for places, then we would have had a big issue. So,
Yeah, we save a lot of time.
right. So, know what stores are in the area. And if you have any special needs, that's another thing. Make sure you line them up so you're not trying to drive miles and miles looking for that special item.
And remember, stay young and have fun.